Very good.
Very good.
Excellent. Excellent. This is really good.
Today I'm going to make my favorite fried chicken based with soy sauce and ginger. And it's simple. It's done. You just want to make sure that you leave it at room temperature for a day before you put it into the refrigerator. When the oil is ready, when you put a little pinch of flour and it flours up like this. I like to fry this twice to make it nice and crispy. And when you actually fry it the second time, you don't have to put only a few in. You can put as many as the pan can hold. This is your mother-in-law's, your mother's, actually, this is your mother's recipe.
That's it.
Okay.
That's terrible.
Okay, sorry. Wise guy. So this is fried chicken. So try it and see if it comes close to your mother's.
Well. Very good.
Very good.
Excellent. Excellent.
So how many points do I get?
1,000.